right, so the next thing we're going to talk about is distance. So ultimately, when it comes to distance, you want to have a good feel for two things. The first thing you want to know is how fast are the greens. Now there's different types of greens, Poana and a variety of others, and all the greens have at the top of them what's called a high point, and at the bottom, which is an anchor point. And when you're putting, it's important to note specifically about the distance control is if the greens are firmer and they're cut more thin and it's later in the day, they're going to go faster. And if the course is not, if the maintenance team is not cutting it as often and the grass is a little thicker, it's going to go slower. So greens typically roll the purest in the morning, and then later in the day as there's more footprints and other things that happen later on in the day, the green will change. But let me talk a little bit about distance. So right now, this is everything on here, this is a yardstick. So what I like to do is, if there's aim point and there's vector, which are two ways you can learn. So I also want to continue to stay focused on distance. So this is 3 feet away, which in golf is 1 yard. Golfers measure by yards. So at least here in the United States. So as I'm setting up, what I know about the weight of my putter is that if I take it back about 1 inch, it'll equate to this distance. It'll probably finish right in this circle. Now if I go here to 2, I know that taking it back about 2 inches will equate to this rollout. Now we gotta keep in mind that it's a little uphill, so if it's downhill or if it's faster or slower, this might vary. But again, keeping the progress the same, or is the camera? I'm gonna just keep going, right? So here, 3 inches back, right? Here, 4 inches back. So this helps be a framework reference point that I've found to be consistent and helping me control my distance on longer putts. Thank you.